So the first thing after you arrive is you have to get your pass, and they did a great job, no queuing. There's me with my pass. This is me early, it's about just before 9, just about to say a few words here. Okay, so today I'm at the AWS Summit in London. As you can see, there are lots and lots of people here. Loads and loads. So I'm going to get down there, have a chat with some of them, find out what their products do, see if they're giving away any stickers, and then I'll bring you some more video later. Okay, cheers guys. So this is the auditorium, the big room. Absolutely massive. You could fit probably 2,000 people in here. Yeah, epic, you know, doing a talk up on that stage. And there were some great talks. Look at that. So StrongAssist, they were my favourite booth. They take old legacy servers like Spark, HPUX, True64, and they move them into an emulated VM. They move the storage, they sort out all the networking out, they do everything else. Sandra took me through it all. She explained the process, and yes, today they were my favourite exhibitor. So yeah, I recommend these guys. Check out the description for their info. Loads of these little breakout areas, little meetings around the place. It was really cool. Again, the out-of-hours support people, really good actually. I didn't think there was a business option for this, but it looks like there is, you know, just after midnight. Explained it very well, lots of customers. Had a quick chat with Susie. I'm normally a Red Hat guy, but had a quick chat with them about it, they were cool. Kato, they're doing some really good stuff. Yeah, if you want to track anything, speak to those guys, they're doing some great stuff. Yeah, they had the racing games, Deep Racer I think it's called. I'd prefer it if it was like an 80s game like Outrun or something. It wasn't that great. Yeah, this is them using the track. I think it's using sensors to try and stay in the track by following the lines, you know, to greater or lesser degrees of success. That was quite entertaining. So there were a lot of analytics companies there. You know, they'll take your data from AWS and other cloud platforms and they'll crunch it for you and give you a whole wealth of information like how much you're spending or what it is you're doing. CoreLogic, Elastic, they were my personal favourite. You had QLic, RocketSet, the Data Cloud and Datadog, and there were several others as well. So all very similar. Yeah, all there for you to talk to. How to talk to MurrayDB. I love MurrayDB. I use it sometimes at work for my own databases. These are the enterprise guys, so obviously for the bigger customers. And yeah, just thought I'd go and say hello. Now we have Peak. They're doing some AI-driven to drive commercial growth. I was trying to have a chat with him and get some more information out of it. They do actually have a community edition, so you can join that. I'll put that information in the description for this if you want to check them out. They were quite cool. So next we came to Navisite, having a chat with their guy there. Really good. They're basically doing like modernising your business, so migrations, cybersecurity, application, you know, giving you a clear roadmap for what it is you need. Yeah, Harness. Now Harness is like a CI/CD tool, kind of does the deployment and everything all in one. This guy gave me a demo. This is a real speed through of just a section of it, but I've got like an 8-minute demo that I recorded. And you know, they have a free tier as well for doing deployments and builds. So, you know, I would check that out. You know, it's very similar to some of the GitHub, GitLab options. And this is a bit later. It's just after lunch. Still quite busy. There were thousands of people there. This was what was in my lunch. Had bacon and chicken, very nice, can of Coke. I spoke to these guys, CloudRich. They basically hold your hand and take you through that process. They do smaller engagements, but they want to help you on your cloud journey, and they're quite specific in what they do. But check them out. Red Hat, no explanation needed there. Everyone was there getting their red hats. You know, you can see these little dots of red around. That people had been there earlier collecting their red hats. And that was quite cool. I used to work for them, so they would have put on a good show. And then I asked them to all move out the way so I could get a clear picture here. Again, another kind of AI data IQ. Yeah, check them out. More breakout areas. And little mini meetings. It's really quite cool the way they do it. This is JFrog, again another sort of releasing mechanism. They gave me a t-shirt, very nice guy, explained the whole process to me. Very good. Orca, it's a security tool. It's used a lot, very widespread. I got on well with the guy. Contino, they're always there. They always have nice stickers. This this is a quick look around the actual AWS side of things. I didn't really look around it much. I was more concentrating on the individual little units because I wanted to speak to them about what they were doing. And this is what I ended up with. This is all the, I guess you'd call it swag for the day. So as ever, it was very well organised. AWS always put on a good show. All the different exhibitors there were great. These were some fantastic glasses I got. So probably won't wear them that much, but they look pretty cool. You know, loads of stickers, lots of these badges. If you're going to do these shows, really love the badges. You know, like the pins, the metal pins. They're really cool. I've got quite a few of those. Red Hat did them. Elastic did them. So many other. I think CloudReach had some. So yeah, you know, it was great to go. It was great to be with everybody again for once. You know, actually seeing people and actually getting involved and talking. It was really good. Hope it bodes well. I've got a meet up on the 5th of May in central London, and I just hope it's going to be like a little bit like that. You know, a couple of drinks, bit of pizza, and have a chat and catch up with everybody after being away for so long because of COVID. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you see yourself, give it a like, subscribe to the video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye bye.